I never had a chance. My life began in chaos, and it never got better. My father was gone before I knew him, locked away, then dead by his own hands. My mother left me when I was just a child. I grew up with grandparents who were supposed to care for me, but all I knew was pain, neglect, and abuse. By the time I was a teenager, I was out on the streets. No home, no family, no future. I traded sex for food, for cigarettes, for a place to sleep. People looked at me and saw trash, but they didn't know the storm I carried inside. On the highways of Florida, I survived the only way I knew how. Men picked me up, and I played along, but every night I felt the fear that one of them would hurt me, that I would never make it back. And one night, in 1989, it happened. He attacked me. Or maybe that's just how I'll always remember it. All I know is I pulled out the gun, I shot him, and for the first time in my life, I felt power. After that, it didn't stop. One man after another, 7 in all. The police called me a monster. The newspapers named me the Damsel of Death, but they never walked a mile in my shoes. They never felt the hands around my throat, the hunger in my stomach, or the hatred that burned in me every single day. In the end, I was betrayed by the only person I loved, Tyria. She gave me up to the police. They got me to confess, and maybe I wanted to. Maybe I was tired of running. At my trial, I told them I killed in self-defense. They didn't believe me. Maybe they never would. To them, I was just a killer, nothing more. And maybe they were right. I spent years waiting for the needle. And when the day came, October 9th, 2002, I looked at them, calm as ever, and I said my last words. I'll be back, like Independence Day, with Jesus. People still argue about me. Was I a victim who fought back, or a cold-blooded murderer? I guess that's for the world to decide. But me? I know the truth. I was born in pain, I lived in anger, and I died in fire.